Welcome to a video from DigitalLife.com. New Windows 11 build to look at. This is 25179 for Windows Insiders on the dev channel. Not a huge amount in this build. If you wanted to do a clean install, it's good news is you can get an ISO of this build, so you can download the ISO and do a complete clean build. You can mount the ISO on a machine or on a virtual machine like I've got here, and do a full install. So what's changed in this build? Well, there's just a couple of things I want to show you. In settings, language settings, let's have a look at that. Here you see you've got a language settings option. So the idea of that behind that is your dictionary will be synced across devices. So if you're adding words to your spell checker dictionary, then that'll be synced across devices. A couple of other things are the tab browsing in File Explorer, which is on my machine. It wasn't installed if you were watching on the previous build video. They said that Microsoft saying they've rolled that out to everyone now, which is why I'm picking that up now. If you don't have it, make sure you reboot. The other thing that they've changed as well, just a minor thing, if you want to do your sleep study of your device, the power config dash sleep study is now 7 days instead of 3 days results. The rest of the changes are just fixes. They fixed some issues with crashing File Explorer. They've made it so you can mount ISO files with the correct icon, or the icon was incorrect, now it's correct. They fixed some issues with widgets getting unexpectedly reset. I've not got the widgets, it should be down here like it is on my host machine, but yeah, that's they fixed that. They fixed some taskbar issues where when you've got the overflow, see if I can show you. So if I open a few apps, so right, I've opened a lot of apps, so I've got the taskbar overflow. You see that goes, see that now appears over here. When I was looking at the previous build, it appeared here, so I don't actually know whether that's a bug, because you click on the overflow and they show there. So I'm not sure if that's a bug or whether that's by design. And like I said, when I tried it previously, it was just here, which I preferred. So we'll see. They fixed some issues with settings crashing, and some issues with the date time recognition and quick actions. There are still some known issues with this. If you've got a device with less than 24 gig space, you might find you get an error 0x8007001, and that's because of a low disk space scenario, so you need more than 24 gig. They're going to fix that in a future build, so if you do get that, then they will fix that. There's usual anti-cheat software that causes your PC to crash, and they also report, looking at reports, some apps not loading on startup, although I haven't seen anything. I've just fired up a load of apps, and that's working fine. Some of those are the main changes with this build, and the fixes and known issues. You can find out more on DigitalLife.com at iSticks on Twitter. Thanks for watching.